Hey everyone, today I want to show you a cool USB-C adapter that I got. So my wife has a new iPhone and uses a USB-C. I still currently have an older iPhone, so I still require the lightning port. It seems like in our house, the cords are always going missing, so I found these adapters. This small adapter right here came from Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below. So it came with the adapter and with the tether. So all you have to do is just take your current USB-C, plug it in, and it works. Now, if you want to go a step further, you can use this tether and push it over top of the adapter. And once it's on like this, you can then take the adapter and wrap it around the cord and push this through. And once it's all the way through, pull it tight. And these little nubs here where this loop can go over it. And once it's over it, it stays secure. Now, this adapter can go wherever your cord goes, and you have the easy access of just being able to pop it on or take it off and it stays with it. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.